Are you truly living, or just racing against the future? How long has it been since you truly belonged to yourself? Pause for just one breath, because happiness does not lie at the end of the road. It is right here, in every single breath you take. Welcome to the Buddha's Path to Peace channel. Today, we explore the concept of awakening and finding happiness in every single breath. We often live our lives in constant waiting. We wait for a better job, a bigger house, or someone to suddenly change. Many people believe happiness arrives when all future goals are achieved, and every single problem is completely solved in their daily lives. The truth is, the future is an illusion. The past has already turned to dust and faded away from our current reality. The only thing we truly own is the present moment. This second is the only reality you will experience, right here, today. Awakening is not a supernatural state. It is simply the beautiful journey of returning to your most authentic and peaceful inner self. It is the ability to be fully present right now. Feel the comforting warmth of a fresh cup of hot tea today. You can pause to listen to the gentle wind whispering through the trees, during a walk in the quiet and peaceful forest, or simply recognize the natural rhythm of your breath, flowing deeply inside your chest. As you sit quietly in the warm sun, when your mind stops wandering between the anxiety of tomorrow and the regrets of yesterday, a sense of clarity naturally emerges. Today, you will realize that true happiness has always been there, waiting patiently for you to notice its gentle and calming pure presence. It hides behind the thick fog of unrealistic expectations and endless desires that cloud our judgment and disturb our peaceful minds today. Real happiness does not lie at some distant final destination. It is deeply rooted in your ability to enjoy the journey today. When you eat your meal, focus entirely on eating. Savor every single bite and appreciate the nourishment it brings to your body. When you walk outside, focus entirely on walking. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet and the gentle breeze touching your skin. An awakened, mindful mind is a truly free mind. It is no longer bound by the invisible chains of fear and doubt. Do not wait until your life seems perfect to start smiling. Perfection is an illusion that delays your true deep inner joy. Choose to smile first, and you will realize that this world is already abundant and full of wonderful and beautiful daily miracles. Every breath you take is a precious gift from the universe. It anchors you to the reality of the present passing moment. Let go of the heavy burdens you carry from the past. They no longer serve any purpose in your beautiful journey today. Release the anxious thoughts about what might happen tomorrow. The future will unfold naturally, when the perfect time finally arrives, right here. Notice how the simple act of breathing deeply instantly calms your racing mind and brings peace to your beautiful and quiet soul. Part 6. Cultivating the inner garden. Cultivating mindfulness requires practice and patience. It is like watering a delicate seed until it blossoms into a bright and beautiful flower. You do not need to escape to a remote mountain to find peace. Peace is available right here in your everyday life. Look closely at the sky above you. The drifting clouds remind us that everything is temporary and constantly moving forward every day. Accept the changing nature of your emotions. Let them flow through you like water in a gentle stream, without any unnecessary resistance. Is a powerful tool for awakening when you forgive others. You untie the heavy knots restricting your own spiritual growth today. Compassion begins within your own heart. Treat yourself with the same kindness that you would offer to a very dear close friend. Silence is not empty. It is full of profound answers that can only be heard. When the noisy mind finally, completely ceases, spend a few moments each day in complete silence. Allow your spirit to rest away from the endless distractions of modern society. A grateful heart acts as a magnet for miracles. Count your blessings daily and watch how your perspective transforms beautifully and forever. True wealth is not measured by material possessions. It is measured by the depth of your inner peace and your boundless love. Embrace the simplicity of being alive. The sheer miracle of existence is often overlooked in our constant pursuit of grand worldly achievements. Your thoughts are merely visitors passing through your consciousness. You do not have to invite negative thoughts to stay for daily dinner. Observe your thoughts without any harsh judgment. Let them drift away, like dry leaves floating down a calm and quiet forest river. The light of awareness can dissolve the darkest shadows. Shine that inner light on your insecurities and watch them finally, completely vanish. Every step you take on this earth can be meditation. Walk gently and leave a trail of kindness wherever you may go. Connect with nature to ground your scattered energy. A single flower holds the profound wisdom of the entire, vast, and beautiful universe. Happiness is a conscious choice you make every single morning. Choose to focus on the good and release heavy and negative burdens. Do not compare your unique journey to anyone else. Your path to awakening is perfectly designed for your own beautiful personal growth. Let your breath be your reliable anchor in stormy times, when chaos surrounds you. Return to the steady rhythm of your breathing. The beauty of life lies in its fragile impermanence. Cherish every fleeting moment, because it will never return to you again today. Wake up each day with a renewed sense of wonder. Approach the world with the curious and open eyes of a child. Your body is a sacred temple housing your spirit. Nourish it with healthy food, pure water, and loving thoughts every single day. The energy you project into the world will eventually return. Radiate love and peace, and you will attract the exact same things. When you feel overwhelmed, gently close your eyes and breathe. Remember that you are a vital piece of this immense, beautiful universe. True freedom is the ability to choose your response daily. Pause and breathe. Before reacting to the sudden and heavy challenges today, surrender the desperate need to control everything around you. Trust that the universe has a divine plan for your ultimate happiness today. Let the warmth of the sun remind you of the infinite light residing within your own heart, waiting to shine brightly outward. Awakening is a continuous process of shedding old, heavy illusions. With each breath, you step closer to into your truest and purest self. Celebrate the small victories in your daily life. A peaceful morning or a shared smile is a profound human spirit triumph today. You are not your past mistakes or your future anxieties. You are the vibrant, conscious awareness experiencing this exact precious moment today. Create a quiet sanctuary within your mind where you can retreat. This safe space is your eternal source of strength and comfort. The journey to enlightenment is paved with moments of simple awareness. Keep your heart open to the beautiful lessons of daily life. As we near the end of this reflection, take one deep, intentional breath. Feel the life force flowing freely through you today. Carry this profound sense of peace with you throughout your day. Let it guide your words, your actions, and your daily interactions. Remember that happiness is not a distant goal to be achieved. It is a gentle, beautiful companion. On your lovely life journey, may your mind remain clear, your heart remain open, and your spirit remain deeply rooted in the magnificent reality of today. Always, we hope this message brings a gentle light to your soul and inspires you to live fully in every single beautiful breath. Thank you for walking this journey with the Buddha's Path to Peace channel. May you find true serenity and boundless joy today